Alaikum. Welcome back children to the class 10 social science. Today we are going to learn the topic India's foreign policy. Before learning to the topic here, can you say me who was the first Prime Minister of India? The first Prime Minister of India was called Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the one to bring the India's foreign policy where it's been included as aims, objectives. Pandit Nehru, how much hard work has been done on this foreign policy to interact with other nations? Yeah. Can we live alone without friends? No, we cannot live. So we visit our friends, we speak, but now we have the mobiles to chat, to have a continuous or speaking in a phone, etc. So same like that only, the country cannot deal alone. So it want to have an interactions with other nations for internal and external, like import and export. Now let's move on. What is this foreign policy? Foreign policy means the policy adopted by a nation while dealing with other nations is called foreign policy. Okay? Each and according to the expert, every sovereign country has its own foreign policy. Each and every nations have their own foreign policy. So here, when these experts declared the foreign policy, so we had 200 countries. In that, we had the strong countries as well as weak countries. According to this 2020, to the present, which are the strong countries? Can you think? It is USA, Russia, China, Germany. These all are very strong nations. And when we see to the weak nations, where they have been very slow achieving and development, Niger, Malawi, Liberia, Central African Republic. There are many more according to 2020. Now when we have this foreign policy where we have the strong nations and everything, why do we study this? What it deals the foreign policy here? When experts have been included, every nations have their own foreign policy among the internal and external. Now let us move to India. What are the major problems have been dealing? It is not only in India, it is to the whole world. When we compare to India, the first problem comes here for population. The second comes here for natural resource, military, intellectual and industrialized capabilities. Okay? Among that, India is one nation where we have the two problems. One is called population and unemployment. These are the two lacking problems here. After learning to this way, we have been learning the problems of India. Now let's move on to the India became a republic on 1947 where we have been gained independence. So among that one, we have the aims of foreign policy. What are the aims of foreign policy? Number one called national security. Number two, enriching national economy. Number three, spreading the cultural richness of our country in other countries. Number four, by increasing the number of friendly countries and check the power of enemy countries. And next, fifth one comes here, achieving world peace and coexistence. So these are the 5 aims of foreign policy. Now after learning to this 5 aims of foreign policy here, now let us know how it has been interacted by other nations, which has been very hard work done by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. That's been called a radio speech was been given on September 7th, 1946 for the general public here. To interact with the nations, the issue matters to discuss. Among them here, the foreign relationship, India is going to have an encouragement with 3 nations, America, Russia and China. And before this, I told you the powerful nations also. So these 3 nations where India want to get encouraged among the 3 nations here, and in that they have been put up the issue matters like dealing the issue matters like international and national issue matter, like national interest, geographical interest, political interest, economic, military, public opinion, international and many more other issues here when it wasn't put up, and later the other nations also involved to have their own foreign policy to study what the problems have been dealing in their nations. And among that here, where we are going to learn how it got interacted, which nation began to follow the foreign policy first, we will learn to the next. Okay.